DC32, a large vacuum with a greater bin capacity, 3 floor tools to remove dirt and hair, and Dyson's core separator technology for a boost in cyclone efficiency. DC32 has 5 of the features of DC22, including a washable filter as well as a lifetime HEPA filter, hygienic bin emptying, and a lightweight wand. It also uses Dyson's latest cyclone technology, so it captures more microscopic dust than any other cyclone, and sits on stairs while you clean them. DC32 comes with 3 additional floor tools. The turbine head floor tool has stiff nylon bristles that spin up to 90 times a second to dislodge dirt and hair. And for confined spaces such as upholstery, stairs and the car, there's the mini turbine head. While the articulating hard floor tool pivots 180 degrees to clean awkward places. Its nylon bristles also clean without marking.